Hello students, today we will learn how to calibrate the columns and the rows. It means how to change the width and the height of a column and the row. For those times when Excel 2016 does not automatically adjust the width of your columns to your complete satisfaction, the program makes changing the column width a breeze. The easiest way to adjust a column is to do a best fit using the auto fit feature. It's in the alignment, this one. With this method, Excel automatically determines how much to widen and narrow the column to fit the longest entry in the column. How AutoFit works: position the mouse on the right border of the worksheet frame with the column data at the top of the worksheet, like this. You will get this type of mark with a double arrow. You just extend by clicking the mouse. This is the way how you are going to extend the width of your cell. You can also set the width of columns from the Format buttons drop-down list in the Cells group. Here is the Cells group. Here you get an option that is Format. You can change your cell size, your row height, whatever you want to give. If you want to give the row height 80, press OK, then the row height will be 80. It is the way how you change the width of your column. You can also change here. You have an option to auto fit width column. It is the bestest way. To give your column the widest entries in the current cell selection. If you write here and you select all the cells, you go to Format and Auto Fit Column Width, then its width will automatically adjust itself with the largest entry in the column. It is the feature of Auto Fit Column. Default width. It is to open the standard width of a column that is selected by you. Now in the same way, you can also change the height and width of rows. Again, in the Format, we are having the row height. You can select it, press OK, then the row height will be there. You are also having auto fit row height here. And the other option is to drag your row height going to the number. You just drag here which height you are going to give it. Now this is the way. Our other topic is how to hide and unhide the worksheet columns. You can hide worksheet columns and rows by just adjusting them out of existence. Excel does offer an easier method of hiding them. It is via hide and unhide option in the Format button list. Here you get hide and unhide under Visibility tab, hide rows, hide columns, hide sheet, unhide rows and unhide columns. Whenever you are going to print your sheet and you want a column, for example, if you want the column D, it should not come into the print. Then you just go on Format, go to hide and unhide, go to hide columns, then the F column will be hidden by the worksheet. Look, you can't see column F here. In the same way, you can hide a row. In the same way, you can hide a sheet, a column. So it is a very good feature of Excel 2016 to hide or unhide any row or column which is temporary, unwanted by you. Thank you.